Hello friends, in this video you will see the working of looping constructs. But before go ahead, read these questions carefully. First is write a program to generate natural numbers up to n. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. And the next program is write a program to generate all odd numbers up to n. So the odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7 and up to n. So here you can see the difference between these two numbers is 1. So just add 1 plus 1, that is 2, and again add 1 with 2, that is 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5 and so on. And in the next program you can see the difference between these two numbers is 2. So add 2 in between these numbers. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5 and 5 plus 2, 7, and repeat this task until your condition satisfy. And in the same manner, if you want to calculate factorial of any number, and for example your number is 5, so the factorial of 5 is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here you can again see the difference between the numbers is 1. So we have to repeat this task again and again. So looping constructs provide the facility to execute a set of statements in a program based on a condition. The statements in a loop are executed again and again until the condition satisfy. This condition is checked through a variable called control variable. When the condition becomes false, the loop terminates. Python provides basically two types of loop, that are for loop and while loop. So in this video we will start with for loop. For loop, or you can say counting loop, that repeat a certain number of times. A for loop is used for iterating over a sequence, that is list, tuple, string, dictionary, etc. The syntax of for loop to use in a program is for variable name in sequence. It may be string, list, tuple, dictionary, anything, and colon must be required. And here write these statements, or you can say the loop body. So let's understand the working of for loop with examples. So just mark the comments, and here I am writing the program. For I in, here is a sequence of list 10, 20, 30 and 40. Print I. So here the loop variable I will be assigned each value of list one by one, that is 10, then print it. And the next iteration the value will be assigned to I, that is 20. So one by one each value will be assigned to variable I. Let's run the program. So here you can see your sequence values are displayed one by one. You can also use a string with for loop. For example, here is my string Python, and here variable I will be assigned each character from a string Python. So first time the value of I will be P, and for next time Y, and so one by one each character will be assigned to variable I. So here you can see You can also use for loop with range function, where 1 is the start position and 10 is the stop value, or we can say n minus 1, that is 9. So it will generate natural numbers from 1 to 9. So for variable I, the first value will be 1 and next value will be 2 and so on. So here you can see the difference. So all the natural numbers are printed up to n minus 1. You can also change the step value to, so the first value of I will be 1, so it will print 1, and in the next iteration it will add 2 with 1, that is 3. So it will again assign the variable I to value 3 and print it. So here you can see the list of all odd numbers. If you want to display n times, so just receive the input from user, input, enter number, and here my last value is n, and I want to start my series with 2, so it will generate all the even numbers up to n. So first value will be 2, so it will print 2, then in the next iteration it will add 2 with 2, that is 4, and assign to variable I. So my number is 10, that is n minus 1, so it will generate all the even numbers less than 9. That's all. Thanks for watching the video.